Hi, I'm Roxana. In this video, we will give you a detailed description of the Arduino Fundamentals Certification. At Arduino Education, we believe in continuous learning, no matter your age. And now that we are all at home, it might be a good time to learn new skills or brush upon existing ones. For us, that specifically means coding, programming, and electronics. These skills are in high demand, and Arduino, being one of the most used electronics platforms, has become a key learning tool to get started. Whether you are an educator remotely teaching your students, a parent wanting to grasp on electronics and programming, a student learning from home, or if you are just interested in learning electronics and Arduino, the Arduino Fundamentals Certification is a great way to improve your skills and knowledge. The Fundamentals is an entry-level certification that validates your skills in Arduino related to programming, electronics, and physical computer that could be referred to in a resume to enhance your academic or professional skills. The Arduino Fundamentals Certification is an online exam based on the concepts introduced in the Arduino Starter Kit. It covers three main areas: theory and introduction to Arduino, electronics, and coding. The exam includes 36 questions with 75 minutes to complete them all. The passing grade is 70 points. You will get your results after the exam submission and be able to download your certificate if passed. The exam is available in English, Spanish, Chinese, German, and Italian. How to get certified? You can get certified by taking the exam alone, or if you think that you need training, you can purchase the Fundamentals bundle. The bundle includes the exam in combination with the starter kit. You can also check our tutorial videos on Arduino CC remote learning for further training and support. To know if you're ready to take the exam, you can try the 5-question demo to get a feel for the types of questions on the Fundamental Certification exam. You can also check the user guide and the FAQ. After purchase, you need to register your code to activate the exam and enter your credentials. When you pass the exam, you can download your certificate immediately. But if you fail, you can retake the exam by purchasing another attempt. The validity and authenticity of your certification can be verified via the unique QR code contained in the certificate granted upon passing the exam. By scanning the code, third parties could also access the certificate digital information. Buy your certification exam or bundle from your local distributor. Find your distributor from our remote learning site or from the Arduino store. Become Arduino certified already today.